Look, they don't even bother with the squirrels, or they are the chickens.
Very cute. I'm seeing all that seafood. You get a video of them.
Yeah?
Getting a video.
Mm-hmm. Is she watching?
Watching the shop.
There's a cat there, I know. Wee fatties. That's weird. It looks like they're like protecting the squirrels in a way, like.